Hi guys, today we will talk about how to clear your Reddit app or your history Reddit app on your Reddit. We will go to know how you can clear your history on your Reddit app. All you have to do is just go up here and this picture you will click. Then it's going to show for your window like this. And you just go down, you click here on history. Then it's going to take you to next window or history window. Then you just go up, you will click here on up. Then it's going to show for you this here clear history. You will click and it's going to clear your history on this window. I don't have anything because my account is new account, but if you have, you just follow this ways and it's going to clear your history. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.